Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix ranch simulator gamepad or controller not working problem. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for device manager, expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. After that, launch the game and check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files is verified, now launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. Go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, click on clear cache. So this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You need to log into Steam, click on confirm, and after that log into Steam once again and then check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If using wired plug for a controller, then unplug it and replug it and then check if the game is launching or controller is working or not. Next is to use big picture mode for ranch simulator. So you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see big picture mode. Simply click on it and after that try to launch the game and then exit big picture mode. After that, try check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for this video. Thank you.